Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. I'm making this small quick video. It's Friday morning. Usually I make the video in the evening when the market closes because to close the rest of the trades which are running, but I don't have many. I got two of them and I don't want to close them now, so this is it for the week. So let's get started. This is Monday was very slow. The whole week was slow actually, but Monday was no trade. This is Tuesday, 29 January, pound CAD because of the pound weakness. This is the first trade based on pound weakness, and this is the second one on the 29th, pound yen. Okay, very nice. All the trades are taken using my Magic IV system. Very good system. And then 30 was entries were. Some of these trades entries were on 30th, but I closed on 31st, so I would put the date on 31st. So this is EUR-USD long here. Okay, after USD weakness started coming, and then same reason, NZD-USD went up, right? And then USD weakness playing everywhere. All USD pairs were moving, most of them except USD franc. So USD weakness, USD on the left hand side, USD yen went down. Similarly, USD CAD went down, right? And then this one NZD yen I had because of the NZD. I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday there was a NZD news made really NZD very strong. Okay, and it's been strong since then. So that helped me taking this trade. It was a very nice entry, by the way. Don't want to miss it. This is the bullish as long as the price is traveling above the wave, and this indicates all the. This was a very good entry here, which I missed, but this one I took, and this was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. All of them. Some of these trades are really amazing, and they give you a lot of entries. And this is the last one on today. I closed Euro-CAD. 20-minute 31st January 31st entry was also today. Beautiful entry here, right? And it went down, right? So this is it for now, and let me see if I can see this is a chart I just made a little while ago. Today is the February 1st, right? And look how beautiful it is. Impulse move, correction, back, pound, bad news. I even tweeted here. See this pound. This is my Telegram channel where I put the setups and everything here. The charts, quickly made charts for the trades. Heads up. Pound bad news. GA may not go up. That's what happened. GA went down. I'm not interested going short right now because I know that this is just a correction and it's gonna be flipping maybe next week, right? So this is the chart I posted there, but today's Friday, obviously nothing is gonna happen, but still you can see that how nicely it start bouncing from here, right? But it got stuck here, and probably we're gonna be sitting here for over the weekend, and then hopefully if any fundy helps us, then pound gets strong, then we will be bouncing from here, go back to 23% line, and then probably I'm gonna be going long on pound Aussie and Euro Aussie as well, probably, because Euro is probably gonna get strong as well. It is getting strong already. So anyway, this is what it is, and like I said, I'm gonna post this, convert the recording, and then post it on YouTube. And I forgot. I had to say something, but I forgot. But anyway, this is it for now. And if you want to join and get the system and get ready, today's Friday. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday, I'm going to do a webinar 4:30 evening where I'll give out a new chart, new setup, just like this one, right? I'm going to make some more, which is making a turn, which not, and which one going up, which one going down, and we take it from there. So if you want to be a part of it, go my website, myforestmagicweb.com, subscribe, get the system, get your chart ready, and get going. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very good and wonderful, exciting, and beautiful weekend.